Hello, welcome back to another video on Luxe Beauty's channel. It's Emma again, and we have a special video coming out with all the quarantine ideas. Today I have a special guest with me. Ta-da! It's my sister. This is Vicky, my big sister, whose house I'm currently squatting in.
Quarantining in. Quarantine.
Sisters. Anyway, we have an 80s inspired makeup look today because at 3 we have a workout class, an 80s workout class, so we thought, why not make a video? Because
I thought, why not make a video, actually.
She did, and
I always wanted to be a Luxe girl.
And I thought I have nothing better to do, so I will do it. Like dressing room.
Your eyelashes were weird.
Day 7 in quarantine. There's gonna be fights.
What do you think about when Abbie's doing your makeup? You've got to be funny on demand. I can't do that. I didn't get the funny gene in this family.
You always do this. I literally do one brush stroke and you look in the mirror straight away.
Yeah, no, when Abbie does my makeup, I feel like she stops me from looking at her and trying to catch her reflection.
Okay, I just got there, you don't. I do all the time, I'm just gonna swivel you a bit round to the light.
Well, you can't swivel me like that.
I'm joking. Close eye, please.
Close eye.
Close eye. You still go. Right, so last night, whilst I was downstairs, Vicky started playing this and put makeup on for her friends.
I was literally playing with my friends.
So she's got like green and yellow on her eyelash root.
I have washed my face today. Turns out the Stacey Marie palette is very
pigmented.
Yeah.
The girls' room, Tennessee,
and I like eggs. You have the wrong number.
Doing a lot of stuff like that. We just kind of bloody wing it, man. All about the practice.
Abbie, do you wish you were doing this right now? Because colour is like your thing. Loves a bit of colour.
Yeah, Vicky and Abbie are best friends, and I'm just
got in the way of the friendship, you know. Now Abbie likes you more than me. Not bitter at all.
I mean, she doesn't. She pays me to be her friend. Kidding.
Running out, how could you think I don't know? I've been around but never somewhere this cold. You take away you want, but it's never, I'm never enough. I'm caught up in a fool's love, 'cause I'm burning up for you and I can't let go. I feel the sky fall around me and you don't know. Diamond lights got me hooked on your false hope. Loving you is just like holding on to fool's gold. And I thought that you were someone I could run to. Now I'm left with all the things you said you wouldn't do. This was never something real enough for you to hold, 'cause it's a false love, honey, and you're fool's gold. Fool's gold. One more fight turns into one more night. And I'm always running.
Teach me how to clean my brushes because I'm a skank and I don't do that.
Do you know what? Suzanne has a makeup bag, right? And she's got a blender in there and it stinks of death.
I know, but that's when you know you've got a washy blender. Like, I can't do it like as frequently as Abbie says you should. Although we've got a bag downstairs, the blender's ready to go.
It is in, Lee, put it in.
I don't use brushes anymore though, like mainly. I actually, after lie, I use 2 brushes. I use this one, which has seen very much better days. This is Bare Minerals. This is to use my white face powder, which has also seen better days. It's from Primark and it's all broken. And then I use this one, if you know, like bronzer and stuff. Also seen better days. Yeah, just thought you'd like to see what was in my makeup bag.
Vicky really wanted to work for Luxe.
Abbie said that there would be a job for me, you know, to like do admin and stuff. But I just don't have the artistry skills to actually be an MUA. I'd be like, oh, see, don't like one, yeah?
Oh, that was a face that I've just washed.
It's alright, I'm clean.
I wonder if I shut this. The lighting is slightly better. How's it looking? Is that better?
I think so.
Just get a bit closer to the camera, Vic. This is where we at so far, folks. Just gonna stick on a lash. I have lost one lash.
Oh my god, I tried to put your lashes away yesterday and I lost one of them in the process. And they always end up in my dressing gown sleeve.
Do you remember when I had one on my sleeve as well? I'll find it in a sec. I'll just stick this one on. I'll just put this one. What, the sleeves of my arm?
Yeah.
My bare arm. Where is the other one? Man down, man down. Honestly, they're like...
I know, it literally really stresses me out when I lose one. Like, I'm like, oh, I've got another one that matches.
We really don't. What did I do? Surely it can't have gone far.
And it's got glue on it, and it's that mega glue that just sticks to everything. Where are you?
Are you Jordan? It must be Jordan. It can't have gone far and it's massive.
This is so weird.
Where did you...
Found it! It's alright, we're related. Oh, you're nasty.
This is falling off.
Ta-da!
Well, that explains that then, doesn't it?
It's always in the most random places.
I'm just gonna re-glue that before it goes on her face. Blow on it.
I thought you weren't supposed to do that.
You can do it to yourself.
I watched a video and Abbie said don't.
Sorry, Abbie, but it was stuck in my head. What do you want me to do?
So
I was like, where is it? Where is it?
what I want to know is why you tell people to look down rather than close their eyes.
Because when you close your eyes, your eye kind of like scrunches up. So the lash doesn't fit on properly. When you look down, that's how your eye's going to be when it's open.
So when I do my own lashes, should I look down, not close? Or does it not really matter?
You don't want to close your eye because your eye will... So like if you close your eye now, it's kind of moulds to your eyeball, so it goes in a bit. So that's not your true eye shape. And when you open your eye, it then expands and then you've got gaps because it's hanging off.
I see.
Hope that help.
When you do your own makeup, do you put it on with one of them now? Sticky things.
If I'm using something with no pump, then yeah.
But otherwise you just pump it onto the blender.
Pump on my face. Like this.
Then you say it's what you want, but it's never enough. I'm living in a fool's love, 'cause I'm burning up for you and I can't let go. I feel the sky fall around me and you don't know. Diamond lights got me hooked on your false hope. Loving you is just like holding on to fool's gold. And I thought that you were someone I could run to. Now I'm left with all the things you said you wouldn't do. This was never something real enough for you to hold. 'Cause it's a false love, honey, and you fool's gold.
Oh look, another lash in a place where it shouldn't be. Oh yes. Oh yes! Absolute firecracker. I'm loving it, loving it, loving it.
I love it, I do.
Just the way you people it see. That's how I needed it. Put it down. Okay, Vicky, show them what you're working with. To the side, to the other side. Ta-da! This is our 80s look. Wait, hold on. I'm missing a vital piece.
Don't have you say it. We just spent about an hour and a half
These are bras on my feet.
doing, yeah, put your feet up. Wow, you can't really dance.
Wow, you can really dance.
He went. She went. They said we're bumping, dancing all this time.
What a coincidence.
I feel like you need a close up of this makeup Emma to fully appreciate.
I did mine off camera, just in a little quick rush. If you would like to see this look, leave a comment,
Like and subscribe.
yeah, thumbs up, subscribe, press the bell to get notified when we post. It is quite often, every Monday.
You're looking at me, I don't know, I don't work for you.
She doesn't, she does take guess. But if you'd like to see Vicky in more videos, let us know.
No, because then you might lose subscribers. Bye bye for now.
Bye bye, see you next time.